Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you some of the cool and the beautiful hairstyles that you will be able to make in just few easy simple steps. All you need to have some of the patience so that you can just make them. Let's have a look at this hairstyle. I'm just tying up the front portion of the hair and see how I'm doing it. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any step. It's just a kind of the high ponytail that I have made. Let's come to our next project. See how I am partitioning my hair into the three sections. The middle section I am going to tie up using the rubber band and then I am twisting it from the inside out. And the leftover two sections are taken and I'm going to just twist them as it's apparent on your screens. And then I will pull it towards the inner side. I will repeat the same procedure from the right side also. And then I am going to just fix it in the opposite direction. And I am done. This looks so cute and nice. Just give it a try. Let's come to our next hairstyle. Here I am taking the some of the portion of my hair and I am just twisting it. As you can see, I am just actually trying to make a braid, but this one is the simplest of all. Then I will just tie it up and will bring it from the another side, from the opposite side, as you can see. And now I am going to take some half portion and I am going to fix it using the rubber band. See how carefully I am just trying to make it. It's not the center portion, but a little bit I have just made the rubber band tied up from the right side. Now I am again taking the half portion of the hair and I am again making another braid, and see how I will just fix it using some of the pins in the opposite direction from which I have made it. This is very easy and it's very simple. It's just a casual hairstyle look. You can definitely go for this one. All you need is just two rubber bands and you will be done. You can just make it look more beautiful by making use of some of the hair accessories like different hair pins. You can insert them at different positions, like I'm here doing here. I'm inserting some of the flower pins and it will look so nice and good. Just give it a try. For this one, you just have to tie up the hair like we are doing here. It's a high ponytail. Once you have done, then you just have to make the divisions and you just have to twist them as shown on your screens. This hairstyle is very easy and it's very less time consuming. It's best suitable for those who have the medium length hair or the short length hair. See how we are going to give it somewhat a messy type of the look. It will just turn into a bun at the end. Using a rubber band, I am just tying out the last ends of the hair and I am inserting it like this. See how pretty and nice it looks. Let's now try to make a simple bun look. For this, you just have to tie up your hair like we usually do for making the ponytails. Once you're done with it, you just have to make the divisions of your ponytail and you just have to twist them. Then you just have to roll them in the shape of the bun. This is very simple and it's very less time consuming. It's just a casual hair look decorated with some of the fancy hair pins. This looks so good. Thank you for watching our videos. Stay tuned.